What's going on, y'all? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm with these crazy people and we're shooting outside. Rob, where are we?
Downtown Phoenix.
And we're going to show you today some outdoor lighting tips, mixing in strobes and ambient. Stay tuned.
This is gonna be the best day ever. This is gonna be the best.
That picture I sent in the group chat. There's like stairs that go up there.
Look at all these amazing lines everywhere.
Shade.
Shade is also good.
Parking spot right outside.
Alright, Chica, how many times have you shot?
Total?
Total.
Maybe like 8.
8? Only 8 times?
Yeah.
Wow, I thought a lot more.
No, just 8.
Why?
I don't know. I just started about a year ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's impressive. Who are you? Where can people find you?
Instagram. Hello.
So how's...
Whoa, that looks
Phoenix?
awfully close. I love Phoenix. It's great.
Yeah?
Why are you so close to me?
What kind of stuff did you bring?
I brought this. It's a one piece, and then I got a white visor with it and some Air Force One. Yeah, I brought a bucket hat. Maybe it could be a move. Who knows? And then I brought a blue bathing suit set, but it's got like lots of straps and buckles, so it'll be cute.
So what are you hoping to get out of today?
Honestly, some shots that just show off muscle and curves. Those are probably my favorite kind of shoots.
Muscles and curves?
Yeah.
Flex. Ooh, look at all that armpit hair.
I shaved. I didn't forget.
It's like I'm never coming down. No.
Cinematic B-roll.
This is gonna be the best day ever. You got me looking so fresh. I can't get no
I think this is good.
Baby, I'm a T-Rex, ready to roll, ready to flex. I'm the king of the jungle. Gonna be the best.
So what's going on in your head?
I'm gonna look at the ambient light and then adjust my shutter speed accordingly. What kind of look I like? Oh yeah, let me turn this off. There we go. Just enough light. Sort of see what it is, but still the focus is gonna be on her. All right, Phyllis. Good.
Where are you?
I'm watching. Right. I want to have you right here. We'll do some test shots, make sure the lighting is good, and then we'll pose you from there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Good. Let me have you step forward a little. A little bit more. All right, 1, 2, 3. Good. One more. Got it.
Huh?
So what I want right now is the background is looking a little too dark for my liking, so I'm gonna adjust that.
Super clean.
Thank you. I like it, but the visor is sort of casting a shadow on your face.
Like higher up.
So slightly higher up, or you know what I'm gonna do? I would like that. Good. I'm gonna lower this light.
How's it doing so far?
Pretty good. I'm excited.
What's your go-to pose?
Like a side hip.
Okay,
kind
side
of.
hip. Gotcha. Let's go with that, and then we'll work off of that.
Okay.
So, all right, let me have you get into position, side hip. All right, good. Hold that right there. I want you to rotate your hips more in line with the camera right now. Good. One more. 1, 2, 3. Got it. All right, go ahead and relax. Showing up to the video.
Let's show her.
All right, Phyllis, this is what we got so far.
Oh wow, I like that. I think I should do a little more of like a hip hop, kind of accentuate like this
Gotcha.
here.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
But
Okay.
I like everything else.
So one thing to keep in mind when he showed the camera, the biggest thing that I saw was she said that she liked it, but she wanted to tweak a little part of her pose. And so by showing the camera, that's going to allow you to be a better poser by getting the feedback from the model. Because models, they know their good side. You know, a lot of the ones that have been shooting a lot more, you know, they'll be able to help you kind of get better with posing because they'll point out things that you may not have seen otherwise. Let's get back to the shoot.
I want you to Actually, I want you to pose it. So, you know how you do side pose? I want you to basically do the same thing, but I want you coming up on this leg.
So like this.
Can I help for a second?
Yeah, go ahead.
So she moves really well. She knows her good side and her bad side. Instead of trying to go to a specific pose for someone that has a lot of experience, speak broader. Ready? You show the glutes. In the position. Good. Arch. Pop. Pop. Good. Turn a little bit. So when I say turn, I'm not saying left to right. I'm going to say turn, and then she's going to interpret that, and then she's going to move. Take a step. Press forward. Arch. Turn your face back here. Good. Let's take these hands back from there. See all the hair in the armpit? Yeah.
Okay, no, I got it.
Good. Good. Flex.
Okay.
Even when she's flexing. Make sense?
Yeah,
'Cause
really
then-
forced me to move into those angles.
I got you.
Sometimes I need it.
Okay.
Regardless of how many times someone is shot, I still like to have my thumbprint on the shoots. I don't want them to move freely and do whatever they want, because then the shots are going to look exactly the same as the last person they shot and the next person they're going to shoot with. And so I still want the style to be mine. But the big thing is, you know, if you overpose in the beginning, especially with an experienced model, they may have a tendency to only do what you say, which is going to put a lot of pressure on your shoulders. And so if your comfort zone has 10, you know, set poses that you like, once you get past those 10, then what are you going to do? You might kind of clam up a little bit. And so the trick is give direction, you know, look at the hands, the fingers, the wrist, look at all those things. Those are little things that you can say. Adjust your arm, good, flex, press down on the leg. Those aren't posing moves, they're enhancing existing poses. The first set compared to the second set, was there a difference in how he interacted?
The second time he let me more freestyle, get more comfortable, but he also enforced like popping like the curves, squeezing the abs, so it was pretty good. I think the second one was a lot better.
You know, first set, you know, just kind of get in the feel for things, and then after that you get more comfortable, and then just start flowing from there.
All right, guys, that was shoot number 1. Now we're gonna get ready for shoot number 2 with Roberto. See you in the next video.